Hey guys, today I'm going to tell about the online multisim. You can consider it as an introduction to multisim. So in this introduction, I'm going to tell about the what's multisim is and how to create an online multisim account and how to create a circuit. I mean how to build a circuit and how to simulate it and what are the components involved in this and how to use of those components and how to simulate it and how to save the files in online. So first of all, we have to know about the multisim. So why multisim? So multisim and standard spice simulation and circuit design software for analog, digital and power electronics in both education and research purpose. So it's an virtual type of thing where you can do your simulation before you execute it naturally, I mean on any hardware equipment. So don't waste the time. Let us open the search engine. Let us create an account. So if you already have an account, so directly you can log in. So if you don't have, sign up. So there are very less requirements for this. So you can fill it and create an account. So I have already have an account, so I'm directly logging in. So this is my account electronic question. So here you can see the features of this multi-sim and pricing. So if you want a premium account on this, you can go here, and here the circuit where it will show your circuits uh, and resources. So here we have and create a circuit. So let's create a circuit first. So how to create a circuit? What are the components we are having in this multisim? So we are having this LT board here where you can build your circuit, and we are having the grapher where you can show the graph of your circuit. Split is nothing but it will divide your circuit and the graph. So on the left side we are having the components here. So here we have this probes, yeah, and the second thing you have ground, a connector and the junction. Here we have the sources like AC, DC, FM, triangular. So here we have the passive elements like resistor, capacitor, inductor, etc. And here we have the analog components like op amp, ideal op amp, timer IC, and also we're having the diodes, transistors, indicators, switches, modeling blocks. So we are having the components here and even a search box where you can search the components. Suppose I want 555 timer IC. So if you keep 555, it will show you the results. So let us go for an basic RC circuit. So for that we need an AC source. So let us pick the AC source, and we need a ground, and we need some passive elements like resistor and capacitor. So if you want, we can rotate this as we want. So now we created, so we got all the components we need. So now build the circuit. So now the circuit is built. Now if you want to change any values of the capacitor or the resistance or the AC source, so here we are having the 1 volt peak to peak and 1 kilohertz frequency. Now if you want to change this to 2 volt or 200 hertz frequency, so give a click on that and go to the settings where you can find the peak to peak voltage and the frequency where you have to change. And here we have the RMS voltage and the peak voltage, so keep it to peak voltage. And ID, here we are having this source as V1. Now if you want VY according to any textbook or anything, so if you want to change, so now I want I want to change it as VI, source VI. So VI. And if you want to change the voltage, so here it's now 1. Now I want to change to 2 volts, so 2. So let us keep the frequency as same. So here we change it this, it's changed to 2 volts and 1 kilohertz frequency. Even we can change the resistance value and the capacitance too. mm. So if you want to name this circuit on the multiboard, here we are having the text annotation. So take the text annotation and type. Now this is an basic RC circuit, so I'm typing this as an basic RC circuit. So place it wherever you want this. Now let us run this circuit. Let us run this simulation. It's running. So if you want to know the values whether it's simulating or not, so let us take a probe and connect to it so that we can see the graph of it also. So simulate it again. See, here we can see the values of the circuit. Let's go to graph. We can see the graph of the circuit. It's going like this. Here we can trigger this and edge direction. We can level the circuit. We can change the time per division, and we can give the maximum and minimum voltage. According to that it can change. So now what's the minimum and maximum voltage is enough for the circuit is taken by default. So let's split it. So we can see the circuit the left side and the graph are on the right side. So like this we can simulate the circuit in online multisim. So if you want to save this circuit in online, so here we are having this save on save as option. Go to save as option. Here we are having the name, give the name here. So mine is basic RC circuit. So I am saving it as basic RC circuit. So if you are having any doubt or any correction in your circuit, please keep it to private. If you are perfect on your circuit, please keep it to public so that others can see and follow your circuit. So if you want to add any description, add this and tags also. So click on OK, it will save. See, now it is says saved as basic RC circuit. So that's all for the introduction, and I will be keep posting many more circuits, and I will be simulating many more circuits in this. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you really like the video, please share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.